Our most contrarian view right now, which not necessarily is very high conviction, but something that's worth discussing because it's so out of consensus currently, is that even though there's increasing belief that Trump faces congressional defeat in the midterms, we actually see the GOP and Trump keeping both houses of Congress. So they will maintain their majority in the House and the Senate. So the consensus, for example, is that given Trump's low approval rating, below 50%, that tends to result, looking at historical patterns, about 40 seats lost. And the Democrats need about 24 in the House to take over majority. So that does not bode well. The second thing we know is that the incumbent party tends to do poorly in the midterms. And the midterms for the first midterms for a first-term president tend to see a loss of about 32 seats. The third observation also is that a lot of political experts suggest that a lot of the seats that are toss-ups are in Republican strongholds as well, traditionally, which means that you could see more Democratic wins than what we've been used to in the past. You combine all of these things and you get a picture where the Republicans are going to get creamed in the midterms, and you will see Democrats take over the House, and that has a very different set of market implications. Our observation is that there are a few things that are different about this midterm. One, even though you've got Trump's approval rating below 50%, it's actually been below 50% throughout his presidency. And in previous examples where you looked at lower approval ratings and the defeats in midterms, you've actually seen the president's approval rating go down in the preceding 2 years leading up to the election. In Trump's case, you've actually seen it below 50 the whole time, and you've seen it actually bottom and rise into midterms. So historically, it's a very different pattern of popularity for a president, even though it's below 50% still for Trump, which results potentially in a different outcome.